Hey everybody, I want to update you on the last video, and this was with the Arteza paints. Looks good. Look how shiny. Shiny, shiny, shiny. And really bright, vivid colors. I love it, like a sunburst. So I am going to do a flip and drag over this pour, which is the one I did in my Arteza review video like 3 days back or something like that. And it was not on a level drying surface, so it took a spill down. You can see that it just all went whoosh. So I'm going to paint over it today, but it is so like shiny. I am impressed with these paints, and you guys know I'm really honest, so I wouldn't be lying. I'm impressed by how shiny they are. So the shopping codes are in the video description. Use Osborne 1 and get 10% off. And so I mixed up some more colors of theirs, and I've got Prussian blue, which is pretty much the same color Prussian blue as Grumbacher. Sometimes the same color with different brands are different colors. So I got Prussian blue, vermilion. Vermilion is one that I find is always different in every brand. Deep yellow, it's usually deep yellow. This I did find odd in the Arteza, the 60 pack. Neon pink. There are no other neon colors, but neon pink, which I just found odd, because I could see like if there was neon blue, neon green, neon yellow, neon pink, you know, and you have like your little thing, but just one neon color struck me as a bit odd. Maybe there's a reason behind it, I have no idea. And this is Van Dyke Brown mixed with gold. These three I can definitely see together. I am adding the neon pink to try and keep it a little brighter, but in all honesty, I don't work a lot with neon, so it really could just screw the whole thing up. I don't know. But I'm usually never one to really ponder these things too long. And I'm excited to use the neon. So, with that said, the white I am using is my, I just finished off this can. Dutch Boy mixed with Floetrol and water. I am buying more house paint tomorrow, but it will not be Dutch Boy because I have a gift card to Lowe's, and Lowe's does not carry Dutch Boy. So I will be trying another brand, which will be very helpful for most of you because Menards that carries the Dutch Boy is pretty much just in the US Midwest. So it will be very helpful for me to do Lowe's because Lowe's is like friggin' everywhere. I mean, we were driving to our resort when I went to Cancun and there's a Lowe's. I mean, they're just everywhere. So, shake these up. I just mixed them, but, oh, I wasn't going to, well, there's, excuse me, I'm choking. I thought about just using this container, but it will make all of the paints on the side go down, and it might make that color too heavy. Oh, and I'm going to write this down so you can find it. People have been asking about this silicone mat. Whoops. It ignore my writing. Well, you can't see what I'm writing, but... Alright, on Facebook, capital L. So, capital L, Olivefe, which it's written, like on the mat, it looks like love life. It's a play on words. Capital L, capital V. And they're $39. And my only issue is that they don't dry overnight. So I still have wet paint. And I could use a towel and clean that on up, but I'm not going to bother because it's just white paint and I'm pouring white. It doesn't matter. But when the paint's dry, it's super fun to peel off, because who doesn't like peeling stuff off? There's like such a rush in that. So anywho, I'll move these so you can see. This is also an Arteza canvas. They seem pretty durable, pretty well made. Not a whole lot more to say about the canvas. I mean, it's a canvas. Actually, that Prussian blue is a little lighter than the Grumbacher. That is some neon pink. And I'm not adding silicone to this, but I've been finding the last two that this paint kind of makes cells on its own. So this is about 1 ounce of paint. And then this is my white paint. Ah, that was kind of a mess. See what I'm doing? You're really not missing anything. I am just tilting it all around, and I'm going to use my fingers to help that out. And I will touch up sides at the end. The colors turned out neat. I have a feeling I'm going to need more on there, because these are all, watch what happens. So I think I will put more color on, and this is why I'm getting a lot of people saying you start with such bright colors, and then you put white over it. Well, this, because it was a flip and drag, the white went over it. But this is what happens, and I don't like this look. That is a look that is not good. So, I am actually going to put more color on it. Probably not more of that brownish. Still. But look, I mean, this paint really does a lot of selling with no silicone. So yeah, I am tending towards more of a muted look lately, and that's just because styles change. This one I did not expect to be this muted though. But on the other hand, it's so pretty. That is so pretty. This is not so much. You can see though that the blue is coming out. I really only like from here on. Yeah. I only like from there on. Let's turn it around and see. I really only like here to here, just that area. None of the rest. So now I'm trying to decide what shall I do. That's already better. Much better. Darken up the sides, which is not working with that. That I'm happy with. And I did not dump more white on it. In fact, I dumped more color on it. I love it. I love how the neon pink is through this little area. I will take you down and show it to you. That area is super cool. Especially if you like nature, because it looks like it was found in nature. Check out all those cells. You don't need silicone. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.